Hey guys, Amy with mycouponingbuddy.com here. I just did this whole video and realized that I was not recording. That's one of those. It's 12:50 and I'm getting ready to go to bed and I had a couple of things that I wanted to do. So to show you guys before I went to bed. So I'm sorry I don't sound as peppy. I need a Starbucks. All right. So how to find something in your store. There's a lot of you that cannot find Sunmaid. They have put Sunmaid in some weird places. In my store, they're with granola bars. They're not with the raisins, which is on another aisle over from the cereal. It's over by the fruit snacks and stuff. They are with the granola bars on the cereal aisle at my store, but it's not that way at the store closest to my son's house. They're on a different aisle. I believe they're on the fruit snacks aisle there. So here is how you find where they are at the store you're shopping. If you are in a store and you have the Publix app open, it's going to ask you, you are at the Cobblestone store. Do you want to shop this store? Click yes, because it will give you directions to the items that you're looking for based on the store that you are in the app in. So I'm shopping at the Cobblestone store. I am going to click that magnifying glass at the top. And I am going to type in Sunmaid and the search button. Then I'm going to scroll down and look for the bites, which are here. Click on them and they tell you they are on aisle 5, the cereal aisle in this store. Now, if I changed stores and I logged into a different store, it might tell me a different aisle. So make sure, again, that you are logged in to your store. The app also tells you if you click up here in the middle on the savings tab, it will tell you any savings on that product that are available that you're looking for. So if there's a digital coupon, it's going to tell you if there's a digital coupon. If there's a sale, it's going to tell you if there's a sale. All right, if this doesn't work for some reason or you can't figure this out, please stop a stock person. They're normally on the aisles, or walk up to customer service and ask them. Never wander aimlessly around Publix. Publix is phenomenal about literally walking you directly to a product when you ask where it is. If they don't offer to walk you to it, which I would say I've only had one person not walk me to it, and it was only because I said, no, I know where it is now. If they don't offer to walk you directly through to it, ask them to, they will. But they can definitely point you in the direction and walk you to a product and or walk you to a product that you are looking for in store. They're very, very, very good about this. I saw the pharmacist come out from behind the counter the other day and walk somebody to a medicine that they were recommending for somebody. I mean, Publix is very good about this. And I have been to Publix in North Carolina. I have been to Publix in Florida. I have been to Publix in Virginia. They are all good about this. So don't be afraid to walk up to customer service or walk up to a stock person and ask them, where is this product? They all have a small device. My son used to work for Publix. He has an app on his phone that will do the same thing. It will tell them exactly where this item is in store. So don't be afraid to ask. All right. So that is how you find a product in your store that you are looking for. Now, if it doesn't come up and say aisle 5, they might not have the product. There's a lot of new products that we have had coupons for. I couldn't find the nature-inspired deodorant in my store until halfway through the nature-inspired deodorant coupon. It showed up in store halfway through the sale. So, they might not have stocked items in your store yet. Also, there's a little section in most stores that says like new items. Sometimes you will find them there. So you could check there if it's a new product. But definitely ask if you are, if this app thing isn't working. All right, guys, I'm going to bed now. I promise. Happy couponing.